gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon because as the CEO has highlighted of FERCA, that it brings together two major institutions in Fiji that essentially affects almost all working Fijians. And it's important to have that data sharing. So the CEO of FERCA and the CEO of FNPF obviously have spearheaded this project together with the endorsement of their board, and we welcome that. I was just thinking, in fact, when the CEO was delivering his speech, whether we could have at some stage also a common identity, whether it's a card or number for employers or taxpayers, corporate taxpayers. Because there's obviously, recalcitrance in FNPF non-payment is obviously becoming an issue, and I think we need to highlight on that particular area. But fundamentally, I think it's a very good project. It does put in place the way forward in having a national ID card. As you know, that most modern-day countries actually have national ID cards. It removes the bureaucracy at the moment. For example, FERCA is printing, letters for every time somebody wants a TIN number. You print a letter. Obviously, we're saving down on cutting down more trees by printing and using paper. But the reality, obviously, is that it removes the bureaucracy. The national ID card, the concept, as you know, came about a couple of years ago, and now we have also another ID card that is very important, which is your voter registration card. I understand it's being used, for all forms of identification. Now the RBF has sanctioned that, so banks also use it as your know your customer ID, one of the key contributors towards identifying a person. So I think all of these forms of professional identification is coming into being. There has been lots of identity thefts in Fiji, whether it's at the electoral polling level or whether it's at the text level or whether it's at the FNPF level, and we need to remove those anomalies. In fact, recently we had a case that was referred to office where somebody within the public service was removed because there was lack of proper identification, because her name was similar to somebody else's. And because there is no other form of verification other than just the name, she was mistakenly actually removed from the service, and now she's been reinstated. But we could have avoided that entire entire issue if there is proper identification. I think we have to be careful about the loss of cards too. One of the issues that we found recently with the voter ID cards, there's in fact at one stage in the recent re-registration, or not recent phase of registration, something like 1,500 cards were replaced because people had lost cards. Some maybe by because they were careless about it. A lot of people in Fiji aren't used to carrying cards, so in fact you are creating a new culture of perhaps people having to carry wallets. So it has a lot of ramifications, and I think we need to understand that. So also when you're going out on your road shows, we have to ensure that people know the value of the card and how it could be used, in terms of trying to defraud the system. So I'd like to, acknowledge the work, obviously, of the project team and, of course, the board that provided the impetus for it. I'm sure it will be most beneficial to everybody. And thank you once again to all the staff, hardworking staff of FERCA and FNPF who are here today, and of course those who could not join you, for carrying out the modernization program that has in fact been given impetus to by the Bainimarama government. And we look forward to doing more and better wonderful things. Vinaka, thank you.